Hi, it's Ken here. Welcome along to a very, very cold Scotland. I've been asked a question. Please create a short lesson on the use of a and the. Why can't a be used for the moon, sun, hell, and heaven? Thanks for your question. Well, let's look at it. In general terms, a or an is used for a noun that is non-specific, and the is used for a specific noun. If we use an, we use it if there are one of many of that noun, and the is more, as I mentioned, specific. Give you an example. Well, go back to the question about the sun and the moon. The Earth only has one moon and one sun, right? So this is why we say the. But the planet Saturn has 9 moons, I think, or Jupiter has 9 moons. So we can use a. A moon on Jupiter is called blah, blah, or whatever it is, Kepler, I think. So if there is one of many, we can use a if it's non-specific, and the will be specific. A can also be used for heaven and hell. Many people's opinions or thoughts on heaven and hell are very different. Heaven can be different for you and me. So I can ask you, do you believe in a heaven or a hell? So I'm asking you what your opinion is, because it'll be different to mine. There are many opinions and thoughts on heaven and hell. Give you another example. We can say, if I say this sentence, I was on the bus and an old lady got on the bus. Now we use an there because there are many old ladies in the world, yeah? So it's non-specific. I was on the bus and an old lady got on the bus. The old lady came and sat next to me. Notice we change a to the now, because we are talking about a specific old lady, the one that got on the bus. So I was sitting on the bus and an old lady got on the bus. The old lady came and sat next to me. So that is an answer to your question in general terms. We've got a and the. A is non-specific when there is one of many. If we cannot point to it, for example, it's an a. If we can point to it, generally, it will be the, because it's very specific. The moon, the sun from Earth. Okay? So that's, in general, that's why we use a and the. A is non-specific, the is specific. A is when we talk about one of many, and the is when that one becomes specific. So hope that's answered your question. Good question, actually. If you've got any more questions you want me to do a video for, leave it in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to do a video lesson for you. Okay, so I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.